धीमे चल।
Welcome, sir.
राइट, दाएं से पीछे मुड़ेगा, पीछे मुड़।
The annual function is a tradition of school that allows us to shine and celebrate our hard work. It also highlights the wonderful talents of our school. Each performances you are going to see today is prepared with dedication and hard effort.
Fly to the imagination charm and guide it to life and to everything. Let's start the evening with a mesmerizing opening song by our talented students.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
like to request Controlling Officer of our school, come Senior DPO Katihar, Shri A.P. Srivastav Sir, on stage. Please grace us with your insightful words. Thank you.
Chief guest Sri Trikal Rabha, PCPO sir. Honorable guest of honor Sri Ajay Singh, ADRM, NJP sir. Guardians, staff of the school, ladies and gentlemen, and my beloved students. At the very outset, greeting and warm welcome to one and all present here. Ladies and gentlemen, Bani Mandir Railway School was established in 1951 and was recognized by the government of West Bengal on 1st April 1958 and was taken over NF Railway Authorities on 1st April 1963, and it has already completed its 62 years as a railway school in this year. This is for your information. Now I am extremely privileged to have the opportunity to welcome you all at this important moment of celebrating our 62 annual day today. It is an honor for me to deliver my welcome speech for annual function. Today, children are the future of our state as well as our country. Brilliant faces that I am witnessing today will receive awards and will be exhibited their talents, which will grow up and definitely will be true citizens of our beloved nation tomorrow. Name and fame as well as high human value. But on the other hand, I wish them to be good human beings and then make this world a better place to live in. Undoubtedly, we are very fortunate to have such teachers, students and guardians who recognize the budding talents. We all are gathered here on this annual day to motivate and inspire the young mind to showcase their talents. This is a highly important occasion for everyone. It is because of that, apart from the fact that this celebration highlights our school's continuous success in the area of scholarships and non-scholarships area also. And this platform is also an opportunity to welcome our chief guest of honor, guardians, and other dignity also. At the end, I would like to welcome all the teachers, staff and guardians, students who are an integral part of this institution. I request all of you kind cooperation throughout this program and make it a great success. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words.
অগ্রগতি স্বয়ংক্রিয়া বা অনিবার্য নয়। লক্ষ্যের দিকে প্রতিটি পদক্ষেপের জন্য প্রয়োজন ত্যাগ, কষ্ট এবং সংগ্রাম, নিবেদিত ব্যক্তিদের অক্লান্ত পরিশ্রম এবং উদ্যোগী উদ্বেগ।
इसी के साथ अब मैं हमारे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल मैम श्रीमती काकली दास मैडम को स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी हमारे स्कूल के वार्षिक रिपोर्ट को पेश करने के लिए।
Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Trikalagha Rabha, PCPO Sir, NFR MLG. Honorable Guest of Honor, Sri Ajay Singh, ADM Sir, NF Railway NJP, and Honorable Senior DPO Sir, NFR, and Controlling Officer of our school, other railway dignitaries, guardians, staff of the school, ladies and gentlemen, and my beloved students. I welcome you all and extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude on behalf of the institution for your kind presence on this auspicious occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, Banimand Railway Higher Secondary School was established in 1951 and was recognized by the Government of West Bengal on 1st April 1958 and was taken over by NF Railway authorities on 1st April 1963, and it has been already completed its 62 years of the as a railway school in 2025. This institution has been trying its level best to unfold physical, mental, cultural and spiritual faculties of its budding talents since its inception. Our dedicated teachers have been trying their level best in this regard and received many accolades from various concerned corners for their commendable job. Our school is dedicated in all-round and holistic development students by taking responsibilities of educational and social needs to develop complete human resources for our country, which in turn will be able to enhance peace, happiness, harmony and integrity in the society, keeping pace and progress and development. The year 2023-24 is a remarkable year in the history of Banimand Railway Higher Secondary School, especially in the field of scholastic and co-scholastic achievements and activities under the guidance of our beloved concerned teachers of the school. Now I would like to highlight the achievement of academic, cultural and games and sports workshop program for the year 2023-24. Sorry, I want to say one thing, please. So with your kind permission, I am not feeling well actually. So I want to request one of the PGTs, Sir Opunamai sir, please continue this report for me.
Good afternoon all. As ma'am is not feeling well, yesterday night fever was nearly 202. Although he had come here to support us. So I will continue it. Academic achievements, secondary section and higher secondary section. Result for 2024. AISSE exam. Number of letter marks received 24 and number of star holders 2. First division 46. Schools percentage 98.76 and boards percentage is 93.6%. Highest marks obtained by Saloni Kumari and Mridul Kundu, both secured 436, that is 87.2% out of 500 in 2024 in class 10 board exam. For plus 2 level, 64 total letter marks achieved by our students. Number of star holders 8, first division 50 number students achieved, and schools percentage for science stream 94.4% and for arts stream 88.4% and boards percentage is 87.33%. Highest marks obtained by Aheli Talukdar and Agnik Vaidya secured 477, that is 95.4% and 476 95.2% out of 500 respectively in class 12 board exam 2024. Total 7 students qualified for NEET UG examination in 2024 and 16 students admitted in different engineering colleges in India by qualifying WBJE and JEE Mains exam 2024. Performance in co-scholastic activities. Our school participated through online in Pariksha Pe Charcha and on Vision 2047 Vikshit Bharat Ka Vikshit Rail. In this regard, representative of DD National arrived our school in 2024 for taking interview to the students and teachers for this vision. Nearly 13 numbers of students and 6 numbers of teachers participated in Amrit Bharat Station Scheme, Vision 2047 Vikshit Bharat Ka Vikshit Rail, Prime Minister's function in 2024 held at Siliguri Junction Rail Station, and 12 numbers of students won the prizes in the competition. Banimand Railway School has been enlisted globally among 100 schools by CBSE for implementation of SAFL, that is Structured Assessment for Analyzing Learning, for the classes of class 3, 5 and 8 as per NEP 2020. Our students participated in Parak Rashtriya Sarvekshan, organized by Department of School Education and Literacy, Government of India in the month of December 2024. Students of the school participated in VAW, that is Vigilance Awareness Week, Anti-Corruption Awareness Program and Consumer Awareness Program. Our science drama team has been qualified for state level competition held at BITM, that is a unit of National Council of Science Museum, Ministry of Culture, Government of India, Kolkata, on 23rd September 2024, became district champion in Darjeeling district held at North Bengal Science Center, Siliguri. Celebration of Janjatiya Gaurav Divas was held in school through a seminar on contribution of Birsa Munda in Tribal Society and Independence of India among students of classes from 8 to 11. We have celebrated Swamiji's birthday, that is National Youth Day, on 12th January 2024, and Netaji's birthday, that is the Deshaprem Divas, with colorful cultural program in the school premises. Voter awareness camp among students from class 6 to 12 was held on 17 January 2024 at school premises along with voting machines, VVPAT, collaboration with election cell of SDO office, Siliguri. We are going to introduce NCC in mixed group very soon as per proposal of Commanding Officer 4 Bengal Battalion NCC, Bharat Nagar, Siliguri. Now I will like to share our games and sports achievements. RK Memorial Inter-School Football Championship 2024 was held at Royal Academy School, Siliguri, and we became runner-up. In Inter-School Table Tennis Tournament 2024, venue was DPS Fulbari, Siliguri, and position team is runner-up. Third, Mayor Cup Yoga Contest 2024, venue was SN Siliguri Metropolitan Corporation, Siliguri, position is runner-up. Now I will go through the individual achievement, that is national and international. First, Samayik Dharewa of class 9 represented Bengal under 15 sub-junior national chess competition held in Mumbai and bagged a bronze medal along with a cash award of 58,000 and was selected for participation in Asian and World Youth Chess competition. He became champion in senior state level championship. He bagged bronze medal in Asian Youth Chess Championship in 2024 in Kazakhstan. He also bagged bronze medal in World Youth Chess Championship in Brazil and secured second position in SPS Guwahati Open International Tournament in 2024. Second, Ashu Raut of class 10 achieved world record in yoga for tree pose, longest time 11 minutes 8 seconds in the world, organized by our Worldwide Book of Records, London, on 3rd October 2024. He also bagged gold medal in Malaysia in international level yoga competition. He also bagged silver medal in Ajodhya in national level yoga competition. Kashish Kumari of class 12 participated in Sikkim International Karate Federation, Kolkata, and she bagged silver medal there in 2024. She bagged silver medal again in National Karate Championship 2024 in Dehradun and also bagged silver medal in Northeast Zonal Championship 2024 in Guwahati. Now fourth, Somodip Nyogi of class 12 became champion in All Bengal Table Tennis Championship held in Balurghat and became third in Nepal International Table Tennis Championship. And he also secured second position in Sikkim Open Table Tennis Tournament 2024 in Gangtok. He became third in Chandigarh Table Tennis Tournament 2024 and Karsiang District TT Tournament 2024. Our three students, namely Nirjala Singh of class 11, Raina Singorai of class 11 and Simran Singh of class 8, participated in CBSE Sports Meet Cluster 2 in Athletics in Bhubaneswar, and they have qualified for CBSE National Meet held in Benares, UP, and they have participated there also. Simran Singh of class 8 and Rohini Das of class 7 became champion in 10-kilometer marathon run and under 5-kilometer marathon run category respectively, organized by Inspiria Knowledge Campus, Siliguri on 24th November 2024 held in Siliguri. Sriraj Bardhan Singh of class 6 bagged silver medal in state level table tennis championship in Kolkata in 2024. He also participated in different zonal national TT championship held at Himachal Pradesh, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Pritha Talukdar of class 12 participated in national table tennis championship held in Goa in 2024. Aritra Banerjee of class 12 bagged silver medal in International Karate Championship held in Nepal in 2024. Shudipta Kumar Jana, our physical education teacher, represented NF Railway as finalist of all India level judges in the Inter Railway Gymnastic Championship 2024 held in Kolkata. He also participated as judge in West Bengal School State Gymnastic Championship 2024 held in Salt Lake, Kolkata. Due to shortage of time, principal ma'am used to say this one, I am not able to announce all other district, cluster, zonal and local inter-school competitions of sports and extracurricular achievements of individual and team of our school. I convey my heartiest congratulations to them all. Now, second section, cultural activities. Our students and teachers of Banibandhu Religious School, Siliguri Junction performed their best in the different science awareness program, quiz contest and science workshop held at Uttar Banga Vigyan Mancho, Siliguri. Celebration of Ambedkar Jayanti was held in the school on 14th April and students participated in seminar on that day. Celebration of Ravindra Jayanti was held on 9th May 2024 in the school. Students participated in dance, song, recitation and speeches on that day. Yoga, Surya Namaskar and other asanas were performed by the students and staff of the school in 21st June 2024 in the school on International Yoga Day. Students of the school attended and participated in a program that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav through postcard writing for giving tribute to independence of India, and students also participated in Veer Gatha project in the honor of gallant winners as per circular of CBSE, New Delhi. 23 numbers of girl students participated in Republic Day parade held in Siliguri Police Commissionerate parade ground and are awarded special prizes from Siliguri Police Commissionerate in Siliguri. Pre-matric scholarship for SC, ST and OBC students. Initiative have been taken for our students to get this pre-matric scholarship given by Government of West Bengal. Regarding Kanyasri, initiatives have been taken up for our girl students to get the scholarships given by Government of West Bengal. Total 60 numbers of students receive scholarship under K1 category and 40 number of students receive scholarship under K2 category. Next, Sachya Bharat Mission was organized in our school. Teachers, students and other staff have taken active part in this regard. Sachya Hi Seva has been observed through a procession on 2nd October on Gandhi Jayanti in our locality. In our school, there are different teachers committee are there. Their academic and exam committee, cultural committee, discipline committee, development and infrastructure management committee, magazine and library committee, games and sports committee, career and guidance committee, development fund committee, health and hygiene committee, IT and media committee, internal audit committee. All these committees have been actively functioning for improvement in their respective fields. We used to arrange different workshops in different fields to implement National Education Policy 2020 as led by Government of India to keep pace with the modern and inclusive education. I may mention here that since my joining as principal, of course, Madam, on behalf of Madam, I am speaking now. In this school, I, along with my entire team, is continuously improving the level of all-round development of school by trying my level best to improve the infrastructural upliftment of the school. I am pleased to mention that railway authorities have sanctioned rupees 1.40 crore for our school, and the developmental works which started in the month of March 2024 and is almost on the verge of completion, for which I convey my gratitude to all railway officials for their tireless effort towards the development of our school and contributing the education system in their own way. Requirements for the betterment of the school: an auditorium is vehemently needed for holding meetings, seminar and other scholastic and co-scholastic activities. We don't have any auditorium, we don't have any meeting room or seminar room. And second, an estimate of a new double-storied building consisting of 42 rooms has been uploaded in IRPSM for the year 2023-24 by Senior DN3 Katiyar at NJP, which is planned to be upgraded to smart classrooms as required to meet up the policies of NEP 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, in the present scenario, it becomes imperative for school to take extra care of students' behavioral, cognitive and emotional needs at all stages. So our school steps into career guidance and counseling for all the students, especially for adolescents like previous years. LCD projector is being used for better understanding of the students. Always stress is given for cleanliness in the school premises. We must try our level best to improve our school in scholastic and extracurricular activities in coming days. The school owes gratitude to Honorable PCPO Sir Maligaon, CPO IR Maligaon Sir, CPO Administration Maligaon, Honorable DRM Sir, Honorable DRM Sir Katiyar, Honorable ADM Sir Katyar and NGP, our Honorable Contracting Officer, Senior DPO Sir, Senior DN Sir Katyar, Senior DN 3, sorry, at NGP, RRC Chairman Maligaon and other higher officials for their constant attention and active valuable guidelines to run the school smoothly amidst their busy schedule works. I, on behalf of the school, bestow my heartiest thanks to all present here to make the function a colorful one. Jai Hind, Principal, Bani Mandir Railway High Secondary School, Siliguri Junction. Namaste.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for representing our school annual report.
It is an honor to have our Honorable ADRM NF Railway NGP Sri Ajay Singh sir to be with us. Now I'd like to request him to share some valuable words and inspire us.
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। मैं सबसे पहले रिस्पेक्टेड PCPO सर एंड माय अदर कलीग्स, प्रिंसिपल मैडम, स्कूल के सभी प्यारे बच्चों, लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, सबसे पहले मैं प्रिंसिपल मैडम को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे इस प्रोग्राम में आमंत्रित किया। और मैं अभी एनुअल रिपोर्ट सुन रहा था तो मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारे अपने रेलवे स्कूल की जो एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है। इट इज़ वेरी गुड। एंड बिसाइड दैट एकेडमिक परफॉर्मेंस, बच्चों की जो स्पोर्ट्स एंड रिलेटेड को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में परफॉर्मेंस है वो भी बहुत अच्छी है। एक स्कूल में एक चेस चैम्पियन अवेलेबल है, फुटबॉल की टीम बहुत ही अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है, टेबल टेनिस की टीम ने जाके नाम रोशन किया है रेलवे स्कूल का, एंड ऐसे ही योगा में एक योगा चैम्पियन है हमारे पास में। एंड तो ये जो वेल राउंडेड डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है नॉट ओनली इन एकेडमिक्स, ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है। एंड इसको मैं आशा करूँगा कि स्कूल की अथॉरिटीज़ एंड इन द गाइडेंस ऑफ प्रिंसिपल मैडम कंटिन्यू करेंगी एंड बच्चों का और भी बढ़िया से डेवलपमेंट होगा। एक जो पॉइंट प्रिंसिपल मैडम की रिपोर्ट में रेज किया गया ऑडिटोरियम एंड मीटिंग रूम का, वो मैंने नोट कर लिया है एंड दैट विल टेक केयर, उसको हम देखेंगे। उसके अलावा एक ऑलरेडी प्रपोजल अभी प्रोग्रेस में है जिसमें आई थिंक 42 रूम्स के आसपास बनने हैं, डबल स्टोरी एक बिल्डिंग है। दैट प्रपोजल इज अंडर अप्रूवल, वो अप्रूवल होने से उसका भी काम होगा। कुछ काम थोड़ा छोटा मोटा काम तो अभी हुआ है इस साल, बट देखते हैं आगे भी हम लोग कितना उसमें हेल्प कर पाएंगे। जैसे जैसे प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव होंगे वी गेट इट डन क्विकली। एंड एक बार मैं फिर से बधाई देता हूँ स्कूल के एंड धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words.
It is an immense pleasure. It is an immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Honorable Principal CPO NF Railway Maligaon, Shri Trikalogya Rabha sir among us. I'd like to request him to share some insightful thoughts with us. Please, sir.
Namaskar, my dear lovely children of this glorious Bani Mandir Railway High Secondary School, the wonderful teachers, the parents and guardians, Principal Madam Kakoli, other principals of other railway schools who are present over here, ADRM NJP Shri Ajay Singh, Senior DPO Katihar Shri Anjali Prasad Srivastav, my other railway colleagues. First of all, congratulations to you all for achieving this milestone. It's a very, very proud day And with an institution like yours, which has had a glorious past since 1951, the celebration is befitting. I'm impressed by the colorful turnout, the smart way in which the students and teachers have turned out today, and all the effort and the hard work that has been put in to organize this August function. It is something which I wouldn't have wanted to miss at any cost. While going through the reports which were given about the various sporting achievements, co-curricular achievements, besides the academic achievements of the students over here, one thing that I'm going to carry back with me is that I'm very impressed with the way in which the school has looked into all the important aspects in the life of a student. Primarily, when we think of a school, we think that we come to the school only to learn how to read and write. And we forget that besides learning how to read and write, complete education will be complete only when we look into the other aspects which are absolutely essential for the development of the child. Sports is one, and like Mr. Ajay Singh spoke a little while ago, the way these young champions have shown at the local level and the nearby levels, that holds a lot of promise. We in NF Railway are very proud of your achievements. I read 10 names in the list in the principal's report. Now to all 10 of you, it's a major honor to have your name mentioned in that list. My congratulations also to the teachers, to the coaches, and of course the parents who have helped you achieve your success. Besides that, what I can make out from here is that our friends who live in the other parts of the country, they always say that the people who belong to this region are very talented. You have a lot of skill, you have a lot of natural talent in terms of cultural activities and fine arts. While the earlier programs, the song and the speeches were going on, I saw the visual presentation, the slides which were running over here. The slides gave me an idea, and I'm very happy the slide to see the activities that are being organized by the school, the kind of participation that you have, and the kind of responsibility, the sense of responsibility that you are inculcating among the students. I won't take much time. I would like to convey my best wishes. I'm very happy over here to see what all the school has achieved, what all the school has planned in terms of the infrastructure, in terms of keeping pace with the new education policy. It's now there's going to be an additional responsibility on all of us, the students, the teachers, the parents, and the railway administration as well, to ensure that we continue to look upwards and we keep on achieving greater milestones. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Profound connection that binds us all together. Regardless of our race, religion, or nationality, we are first and foremost human beings. It is this shared identity that calls us to treat one another with kindness, compassion, and empathy. In a world of merit by conflict and division, Embracing our common humanity becomes paramount. It means extending a helping hand to those in need, offering listening ears to those in despair, and showing respect to every individual we encounter. It means standing up against injustice and inequality, striving for a world where every person's dignity and rights are upheld. Humanity is not just a lofty ideal, it is a practical guide for how we should live our lives. और इसी के साथ हम हमारे सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम को प्रारंभ करने जा रहे हैं. प्लीज जोरदार तालियां हो जाए प्लीज. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
আলোয় আলোকময় করে হে এলে আলোর আলো আমার নয়ন হতে আধার মিলালো মিলালো সকল আকাশ সকল ধরা আনন্দে হাসিতে ভরা যেদিন পানে নয়ন মেলি ভালো সবই ভালো সবার উপরে সকল কিছুর ঊর্ধ্বে মানবতার জয় সর্বত্র কঠিন পরিস্থিতিতে সংগ্রামের দিনে বিপদের মুহূর্তে মানুষই মানুষের পাশে ছিল আছে এবং থাকবে এই বিশ্বব্রহ্মাণ্ডের গূঢ় সত্য মহাবিশ্বের চেতনার উৎস প্রকৃতি ও পুরুষ এবং মানব জগতের সৃষ্টির প্রসঙ্গে আমরা বারবার ফিরে যাই প্রকৃতির কাছে আদি শক্তির কাছে মাতৃশক্তির কাছে আমরা নত হই এই শক্তি পরম ব্রহ্মজ্ঞান এই শক্তি वरदान प्रदान लिंग भेद जाति भेद की रूढ़ी को पीछे छोड़कर हमें सबसे आगे सबसे ऊपर मानवता को रखना है. इसकी जय जयकार सर्वत्र होना चाहिए. कठिन परिस्थितियों में संग्राम के दिनों में और संघर्ष के पलों में मनुष्य ही मनुष्य के साथ खड़े रहे थे, खड़े रहे हैं, खड़े रहेंगे. यही ब्रह्मांड का शाश्वत सत्य है. महाविश्व की चेतना का स्रोत है प्रकृति और पुरुष एवं मानव जगत की सृष्टि के प्रसंग में हम बार बार चले जाते हैं प्रकृति के समीप आदि शक्ति के समीप. हम मातृशक्ति के समक्ष नतमस्तक होते हैं. यही शक्ति परम ब्रह्म ज्ञानी, यही शक्ति वरदान प्रदायिनी.
Tangli
तारिणी दुर्ग संसार सागरस्य जलधिवरे रूपं देहि
समस्त सीमाओं को लांघ कर एक दूसरे के प्रति सहिष्णु बने। जरूरत के समय हम समस्त एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े रहे। जो व्यक्ति इंसानियत की पूजा करते हैं, मानवता का स्थान है जिसके जीवन में सर्वोच्च, वही व्यक्ति है वास्तव में श्रेष्ठ दार्शनिक, श्रेष्ठ मानव। समाज के प्रत्येक घर में केवल मनुष्य मात्र का नहीं, अपितु जन्म हो मानवता का।
सरस्वती नृत्यतु माजिने सदा 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 सदा।
रम्य कपत्ति निशाई नसते